Hello everyone, this is my review of this smoke detector slash spy cam. It's pretty easy to install in your existing smoke detector spot. It also has its own backplate in case you need it for additional mounting capabilities. Also, it's hardwired in to your electrical system of 110 to 220. But it also comes with a battery backup that's rechargeable that lasts about 6 hours and is recharged with the electrical system when it's hardwired in. Or also you can hook in a USB-C cord into it to recharge it with 5 volts power. You see it installed here and using the house power where it's charging with that red light that you see there. You can also control the camera with your phone with an app that you download. Here's the app. It's pretty simple to install it and connect it to your Wi-Fi for remote viewing. You can connect it directly to the camera's Wi-Fi as well. But you have different features on the app where you can record and take pictures and see the albums and control your camera left and right. I'll show you that. Now here's a look at the camera through my phone, me controlling it, zooming in, zooming out, going left and right. So this is a pretty cool spy cam in your smoke detector, and I hope this review helps.